Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to the code interview. Today's problem number is 1727, largest submatrix with rearrangements. You are given a binary matrix of size m by n, and you are allowed to rearrange the columns of the matrix in any order. Return the area of the largest submatrix within matrix where every element of submatrix is 1 after reordering the columns optimally. Let's solve it. What we can do? We can calculate number of ones goes consecutive in each columns, and based on these numbers calculate the area for each column. Let's check the example 1 and make step by step. So what we can do, we will go row by row and calculate number of consecutive ones for each column. So for first row we have 0, 0 and 1, because in first two columns we have zeros, so we have 1 only in the last column. And after we calculate all ones, we can get the area and update the result with the maximum area we can get in each row. So in first row we can get one submatrix and the area is only 1. In second row we have 3 ones, and so the consecutive ones have values 1, 1 and 2, because third column has 2 consecutive ones. And when we have these 3 values, so 1, 1 and 2, we can get the submatrix with high of 1 and width 3. So the area is 3. For third column we have consecutive values 2, because it's second one consecutive, 0 and 3. So to get um, maximum area we need to rearrange columns, and the best way to do it is to sort. So we sorted 1, 2, 3, 0 to 3. So we can have submatrix with height 2 and width also 2. So the area is 4, and the maximum result is 4. So we can return it. Let's do it in the code. So we need some result variable with 0 by default and return it. Also we need some variables to keep number of consecutive ones. Let's call it max ones, and it will be a list of zeros with size of length matrix of 0. And let's go row by row. So it's loop for row in matrix. After it, let's go by columns and update max ones. So we will need indexes. So use enumerate function. Enumerate of row. And let's update max ones variable. Max ones of current index. And it will be 0 if current value is equal to 0. Otherwise, it will be previous value plus 1. So in the example 1, you will see in the third row and second column we will update max ones with zeros because we have current value is 0 after previous value is 1. So we get max ones, and now we need to sort it. But else we need to keep original values for the next row. So we need some new variable sorted ones and save result of function sorted of max ones. And now let's go through values of sorted ones and calculate maximum area for each item. So for I and the current count, let's be h in enumerate sorted ones and update result. So result equals to maximum of current result, and the area of current submatrix. Submatrix will be with height h and width equals to length of current row minus index I. So in the example 1, for instance, uh, for column 2, it has length of row is 3 and index is 1. So the possible rectangle width will be 3 minus 1. It's 2. So looks correct. And that's it. Let's check tests. Something wrong? Yes, we need to add some braces. Check again. Test passed. Let's submit it. It works and pretty efficient. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.